Exploring ExtraFax for Domino. Retention and archiving overview. As incoming and outgoing fax logs are stored in the ExtraFax database, the size of the database may grow quickly. To improve performance and to minimize the size of the ExtraFax database, using the retention and archiving feature within ExtraFax is highly recommended. To create a new profile or to edit an existing one, select Setup. There are two options with the retention and archiving feature. Option 1, purge old fax, SMS, MMS logs only, or 2, archive and then purge old fax, SMS, and MMS logs. ExtraFax retention and archiving will process documents that are older than a certain number of days. Specify the options and time period that best matches business requirements. To execute retention and archiving feature according to a schedule, click on Enable Scheduled Run. It is also possible to periodically purge old audit and system logs. There is no option, however, to archive those types of logs. To run the retention and archiving feature for a profile that has already been configured, select Run Now. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. To learn more about our products, please visit our website for more product information and additional tutorials. Visit us at www.extracomm.com.